Hey there! Today we're tackling a common problem that many developers face when working with Qt and MySQL. The issue at hand is the dreaded qsqldatabase QMYSQL driver not loaded error message. This error often pops up when attempting to connect to a MySQL database using Qt, causing frustration and confusion for many users. Now let's delve into the solution to this problem. The key to resolving this issue lies in downloading specific files from a GitHub repository provided by the CodeMonkey86. By downloading and copying the necessary files, including libcrypto3x64.dll, libmysql.dll, libssl3x64.dll, qsqlmysqld.dll, and qsqlmysql.dll, you can successfully load the QMYSQL driver and establish a connection to your MySQL database. Remember, it's crucial to place these files in the designated directories within your Qt installation folder to ensure everything runs smoothly. In summary, by following the steps outlined above, you can overcome the qsqldatabase QMYSQL driver not loaded problem and successfully connect your Qt application to a MySQL database. Remember, attention to detail is key in resolving technical issues like this. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding.